What about this compact Allison whole wheat bread? Soft and moist on the inside, with a crispy crust. Made in the Omnia stovetop oven. Let's start with the ingredients. 4 grams of sugar. Add that to 9 grams of yeast. 8 grams of salt. Mix that into 350 grams of whole wheat flour. 250 milliliters of lukewarm water. Add that to the sugar and yeast. Stir it and let it sit until bubbles appear. Now mix the flour and salt well in a large bowl. Add the water gradually, a little at a time. Then add the yeast mixture. The dough will start to feel firm. Transfer it onto your work surface. If it's too sticky, add a bit more flour. Knead it into a firm dough ball. Create tension by rolling it over your work surface. Place it in a greased bowl. Cover it and let it rise for 30 minutes. After that, knead it again briefly, then let it rise for another 50 minutes. Now grab your Omnia. I'm using a silicone ring. If you don't have one, grease the pan well. Shape the dough and place it in the ring. Leave a small gap. In a separate silicone mold, I add some water. This will create steam during baking. Put the lid on. Let it rise for another 60 minutes. The dough should double in height, but stay below the edge of the mold. That's perfect. Put the lid back on. Time to bake. First, I'll show you the flame tamer. This is essential to prevent burning. Place the base pan on the flame tamer. Set your burner to high. Use your largest burner. Place the Omnia pan on top, with the lid on. After about 10 minutes, slightly tilt the lid. This creates airflow and helps control the temperature. Lower the heat if needed. Bake for another 20 minutes. Want a darker crust? Remove the flame spreader for the last 8 minutes. Total baking time is around 25 to 30 minutes. Place a towel on your work surface. The pan is extremely hot, and here is the result. Tap the bread. If it sounds hollow, it's done. Remove it from the pan. That looks good. Let it cool on a rack. Listen to that crust. You can slice it like this. Or cut it this way for larger slices. See you in the next video. Ma.